So once we have filled in our details and we have paid, you will be directed to a page like this. This page may change slightly, but it's always at the very top going to tell you to check your inbox, your email for a message by support@launchpass.com. And this is what that email will look like. We've already done step 1 and 2. All you need is this code. Now this code is unique to everyone. So yours will be different, but you want to copy the code. We now want to go back to Discord, okay? From the menu option, go to your inbox, top left corner, and let's locate that message. Here it is from LaunchPass. All we are simply going to do is paste that code from LaunchPass, the one they sent us on email, and send. So now you'll notice when we go back by clicking on the top left menu, and then we go to Promofos, you will see there are way more channels. The first thing you want to do is get your notifications right. There is a dedicated video that will be sent to you from most likely Stephen@promofos.com or memberships@promofos.com. Thanks for watching. If there's any questions, do reach out. Otherwise, I hope you have found this helpful.